I love tuna and I love waffles together. Do I like them? Let's find out. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, it has been a hot minute since I have done a retro recipe, our throwback recipe series. A friend of mine a couple days ago sent me a little video of some throwback vintage retro videos of different meals, and we were laughing so hard, texting back and forth, but the last one on that video actually caught my attention. It is tuna waffles. And when you say it, it sounds gross, but I don't know. You know, you have chicken and waffles. I love making sandwiches out of waffles. Now, I want to be transparent here. I only like Eggo waffles. I don't like homemade waffles when they're real thick. I like the kind you put in the toaster and they get crunchy. So I'm going to be using them today. But anyway, the recipe is tuna waffles, and the actual vintage recipe was posted on, I believe it's called My Mid-Century Menu. I will put the link below. They had that advertisement posted, and I don't know, it doesn't look overly appetizing, but I'm really intrigued by this one. And I thought, you know, it's really been a while since I've done one of these retro vintage recipes, so I'm going to do one today. And I hope you stick around and watch it just to see what I think of it. I have not done it yet. I have not tried it yet, so we're gonna find out. So friends, let me turn the camera around. We'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll go ahead and put this together. All right, my friends, so here are the ingredients. I have some frozen waffles. These are just the Eggo waffles. I took them out of the carton and throw it away because it takes too much room in the freezer. I have some sliced olives, can of solid white tuna in water. It calls for a can of cream of mushroom. I am not a cream of mushroom fan, but I thought, you know, celery goes in tuna, cream of celery, perfect. I did buy the healthy request ones just to try to make it a little bit more healthier, and some milk. That is all the ingredients we're using, so let's go ahead, move over to the stove, and we'll get started. All right, my friends, we're gonna turn on our pan. Just have a small saucepan. I'm gonna go ahead and empty in my 1 can of soup. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna taste. I like everything I'm putting in here. I'm just curious if they're all gonna go together, but we'll find out. And I'm already making a mess. Okay. Now we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of milk. Let's see if Campbell's knows what they're talking about. Let's go ahead and get that mixed well. Oh, friends, I'm already making a mess. Did you all see that? I don't know if we caught that or not. Turn that fire down just a tad bit. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my can of tuna. I'm gonna save just a tiny bit for garnish. Okay, I did drain and rinse that really well. Now we're gonna add in our 1/4 cup of olives. Mine were already sliced. I'm gonna admit, friends, this does not, I don't want to shred it up. It doesn't say whether to shred it up, leave it chunky. I'm gonna shred it just a tiny bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna let this come to a boil and then turn it down low, and then we'll go ahead and put our waffles. If you want to make homemade waffles, please do so. But until I know what these taste like, I'm not going through the trouble. Not only that, I prefer frozen waffles anyway, to be honest with you. I just don't like them real thick. But if you like to make your own and don't make them specifically for this dish right now until I know for sure I like it. Alrighty. Alright, we'll be back after it boils. All right, my friends, it has come to a boil. I'm just giving it a good stir, and then I'm gonna do my waffles. I gotta admit, it doesn't smell bad. It smells like tuna. So let's get over and put our tuna in, or our waffle in. All right, my friends, I am just going to cook one waffle. I have it on, I'm gonna put mine on around 5. I like my waffles done. My toast I need to have very, very light. My waffles I need to have done. So we're gonna go ahead and let that go while our sauce is heating through thoroughly. All right, my friends, my waffle has popped. A little toastier on one side than the other. Let's head over to the stove and top our waffle. All right, my friends, let's turn this off. Give it a good stir. Does not smell bad. I'm honest, it does not smell bad. I may have burnt a little bit on the bottom. All right, now let's go ahead and put some on our waffle. Oh my goodness. It smells like tuna fish. Is that enough, you think? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. All right, my friends, so here it is. Added a little parsley from my garden. I'm gonna be honest with you, this does not freak me out that much. Just because I like everything here, but I honestly have no clue what this is gonna taste like. So here it goes, friends. We're gonna find out if this is a keep or throw it back. I gotta be honest with you, I am a little nervous. I'm sorry. All right. It's weird. Maybe because I use celery and not mushroom, but I thought I read somewhere you could use celery, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Friends, this one is an absolute fail. Absolute, yeah. Friends, I love every ingredient here. They do not work together. This was from 1954. Thank goodness I wasn't born yet, because if my mother served me this, I probably would have ran away. Oh my goodness, friends. It's not good. If you've ever had this, comment below, let me know what you thought of it, or if you've had it with the mushroom soup. I'm curious. I can't imagine there's that huge of a difference taste. I thought this was going to be very salty, but it's not at all. I don't know if it's because I bought the healthier version of the cream of celery or not, but I was expecting it to be very salty because of the cream soup and the olives, but it was not salty at all. It's just, is it the waffle that's I don't like? Let's try it, the sauce, tuna, and the olive without the waffle. No. That's not even good. No. Friends, Mama needs to go is throwing that bad boy back. Let's keep it back in 1954, okay? Because, yuck. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.